Hello traders, welcome back to the second part of how to trade with the MACD-based price forecasting indicator. In this short video, I will show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll in the Forex market with MACD-based price forecasting indicator on the 1-hour chart frame. At the end of this result, we would see the MACD-based price forecasting indicator strategy in the market. As we all know, this strategy works on the concept of the MACD technical trading indicator. This indicator consists of the line color and the signal areas. To prevent false signals with this indicator, it will be better to pair the indicator with support and resistance structures in the market. Let's highlight some of the zones where this trading strategy works out on the price chart before we proceed to execute 100 trades based on this simple trading strategy. Take note. The higher the time frame you go to implement this trading strategy, the better result you'll tend to have. Also, it's safer to apply this trading strategy on the higher time frame due to the craziness of market movements on the lower time frame. I won't cherry-pick trade setups. Instead, I will execute trades that conform to the MACD-based price forecasting indicator strategy only in a trending market with the aid of support and resistance structures. You can get done your assignment by backtesting this trading strategy based on this setup concept in order to fine-tune your trading system. It's time I show you some of the examples of trades that conform to this trading strategy concept before we proceed to the 100 times trade backtesting. To implement this trading strategy for a bullish setup, first, we need to search for an uptrend market. Next, patiently monitor the market for a bearish pullback. Next, watch out for the possible bearish pullback to a key support structure in the market. Next, watch out for a strong bullish price action candlestick price pattern. Once the MACD-based price forecasting indicator turns green color under the bullish price swings, we plan for a buy setup of minimum 2 risk-to-reward ratios. If the minimum 2 risk-to-reward ratio is possible, then we execute the buy entry. To implement this trading strategy for a bearish setup, first, we need to search for a downtrend market. Next, patiently monitor the market for a bullish pullback. Next, watch out for the possible bullish pullback to a key resistance structure in the market. Next, watch out for a strong bearish price action candlestick price pattern. Once the MACD-based price forecasting indicator turns red color above the bearish price swings, we plan for a sell setup of minimum 2 risk-to-reward ratios. If the minimum 2 risk-to-reward ratio is possible, then we execute the sell entry. Here's another good example of a bullish setup. The bullish opening candlestick here confirmed the bullish move after the MACD-based price forecasting indicator printed a green signal below the price. Here's another example of a bearish setup that resulted in a massive bearish swing. After the bullish swing in this downtrend, the bullish swing stopped once the MACD-based price forecasting indicator printed a red signal above the price. The bearish opening candlestick here confirmed the bearish move after the MACD-based price forecasting indicator printed a red signal above the price. It's time we execute 100 trades in the Forex market based on this trading strategy concept. On each buy and sell setup trade detected with the MACD-based price forecasting indicator, we will target a minimum of 2 risk-to-reward ratio. So let's see how the trade goes. result I got after executing 100 trades. I implemented the 2 risk-to-reward ratio, 100 trades within 5 days. I got 50 wins and 50 losses. The most wins in a row is 5. The most losses in a row is 5. The gain on the account is 20%. Here's a fair trading record. To increase the probability of having a high winning trade with this trading strategy, it is better to pair this trading indicator with trend-following indicators like moving averages and EMA. Feel free to backtest this trading strategy in combination with other technical indicators in order to fine-tune your trading system. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace!